Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be showing you how to create a blog step by step. Step 1. Choose a blogging platform. The first step is to choose a blogging platform that suits your needs. There are several platforms available, such as WordPress, Blogger, Wix, Squarespace, etc. Each platform has its own set of features and benefits, so choose the one that best suits your requirements. Step 2. Select a domain name. Once you have chosen your blogging platform, the next step is to select a domain name. A domain name is the address of your website, so choose a name that is easy to remember, relevant to your niche and unique. Step 3. Purchase hosting. You need to host your blog on a server to make it accessible online. Choose a reliable hosting provider and purchase hosting based on the traffic and storage requirements of your blog. Step 4. Install blogging software. After purchasing hosting, the next step is to install the blogging software. If you have chosen WordPress, you can install it on your server using the one-click installation feature provided by your hosting provider. Alternatively, you can download the software and install it manually. Step 5. Choose a theme. Once WordPress is installed, you can choose a theme that suits the design and layout of your. You can customize the theme as per your requirements. Step 6. Create pages and posts. After choosing a theme, the next step is to create pages such as About, Contact, and Privacy Policy, and start writing blog posts. You can add images, videos, and other multimedia content to your posts to make them more engaging. Step 7. Install plugins. WordPress offers a variety of plugins to enhance the functionality of your blog. Install plugins such as SEO, caching, social media sharing, and security to improve the performance of your blog. Step 8. Publish your blog. Once your blog is ready, you can publish it and start promoting it on social media and other online channels to attract readers and build an audience. Step 9. Maintain and update your blog. Regularly update your blog with fresh content and maintain it by updating plugins, themes, and other software to ensure the smooth functioning of your blog. That's it. You have successfully created a blog. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful to you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such informative videos.